Hey, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. Now that I'm back from my walk, we're going to do a little stretching. And I have this cloth across because yoga is not a spectator sport. So we're going to start. Spread your legs as far open as you possibly can. But a V is fine. So you want to raise your arms up and then over to your left. If you can touch your toes, great. If you can touch your knee, fine. If you can touch your thigh, that's great too. But to stretch over as far as you can. But try to keep your sit bones on the mat or on the floor and just reach over as far as you can. We're stretching the right side. Okay? You're gonna lean into it. If you can touch your head, your knee to your forehead to your knee, great stretch, right? But still keeping your sit bones on the floor. And we wanna come back up. And then we wanna go over to our right. Again, if you can touch your forehead with your knee, great. If you can't, just do what you can. And we just want to hold it for about 30 seconds, then come back up. Stretch out in front of you. If you can reach your ankles, your toes, however far down you can stretch. If you can touch your, if your head can touch the floor, great. If you can't, again, stretch as far as you can. Over time, as you stretch, you'll be able to go deeper into the stretch. If you take a deep breath, you can usually sink down into the stretch a little bit deeper. Okay, and again, over time, you'll be able to go deeper and deeper as you stretch out those muscles in your legs. Okay, now we're gonna do some leg raises. We're gonna start on the right. So you're just laying flat on the mat with your back flat. And we're going to start again with the right leg, and we're going to raise it slowly on the count of 3. Okay, if you need to, you can use your hands and put them underneath your buttocks for extra support. You can have them by your sides and palms facing up. So we're going to begin. And up 1, up 2, up 3, down 1, on 2, on 3. Up 1, 2, 3, down 1, 2, 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 3. Last one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and again, we're going to do double leg raises now. So if you need to, put your hands underneath your buttocks for extra support. I'm going to put my hands behind my head. And same count, we're doing 6. If you can, try not to allow your feet to touch the floor. Hover over the floor and then bring them back up. So we'll begin. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Last one. Very good, y'all. So that's it. Just a little bit of stretching. You don't have to do a lot. that is, of course, those are, of course, yoga stretches. Well, the leg raises and double leg raises is actually a warm-up exercise. But of course, I just came from walking, so it also is good for your abs too. And I wanted to get a little bit of an ab workout in. And so, again, do what you can. This is another yoga stretch. Something that you do post-workout. So, I thank you for watching. Love y'all. Later. Mwah.